हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। इस वीडियो में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे बीए सिक्स सेमेस्टर इंग्लिश लिटरेचर में पेपर फर्स्ट में यूनिट 6 में पोइट्री ऑस्ट्रेलिया, जो कि लिखी है एडी होप ने। तो शुरू करते हैं। उसके ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चन। फर्स्ट फुल नेम ऑफ एडी होप इज, आंसर होगा लेस डार्वेंट होप। डार्वेंट होप। Second, A.D. Hope is well known for his, answer is satirical slang. Third, A.D. Hope is known as, answer is an Australian poet. Four, A.D. Hope was born in, answer is Puma. Six, A.D. Hope worked as a lecturer at the University of Melbourne from, answer is 1945 to 1950. Six, A.D. Hope was appointed as a lecturer of Australian National University ANU in the year, answer in 1968. 7. Which of the following awards was received by A.D. Hope? Answer is both A and B, यानी Grace Levin Prize और Grace Scottish. 8. A.D. Hope was born in the year, answer in 1907. 9. Which of the following is the first collection of Hope's poetry? Answer is The Wandering Island. 10. A.D. Hope died in the year, answer is 2000. 11. A.D. Hope died at the age of, answer is 93. 12. A.D. Hope was buried at, answer is Queanbeyan Lawn Cemetery. Buried at. 30. A.D. Hope father was minister, answer होगा minister. 14. A.D. Hope's mother was a, answer is teacher. 50. A.D. Hope retired from Australian National University in the year, answer is 1968. 16. A.D. Hope's first collection of poem was published in the year 1955 में उनका collection published हुआ था. 17. A.D. Hope's early works was destroyed in the, answer is fire. 18. A.D. Hope got Grace Levin Prize in the year, answer is 1956. 90. A.D. Hope's autobiography Chance Encounters was published in the year, answer 1992. 20. A.D. Hope's poem Australia consists of, answer is 7 stanzas. 21. A.D. Hope described the glorious past of his country in the, answer is 4th stanza. 22. The poem Australia consists of 7 stanzas. Each stanza has, answer is 4 lines. 23. The poem of A.D. Hope Australia present Australians, answer in nature. 24. A.D. Hope was figure in the literary world, answer is controversial. Literary world में क्या है? विवादास्पद है. 25. A.D. Hope expresses his reluctant views for the land in Australia, answer in native land of. 26. Cairns and Perth are the cities of, answer is Australia. 27. The poetic idioms A.D. Hope used distinctly are, answer is his own. 28. There is element in A.D. Hope's poetic style, answer is native. There is native element in A.D. Hope's poetic style. 29. In the poem Australia, A.D. Hope questions about, answer is civilization of Australia. 30. In the first 5 stanzas of the poem, A.D. Hope talks about, answer is Australia. 31. In the poem Australia, the word used sphinx is figure from, answer is Egyptian myth. Egyptian myth. 32. Australia to A.D. Hope is without, answer is all of these, यानी architecture, songs or history. 33. In the poem Australia, the 5 main cities are compared to, answer is 5 teeming shores. 34 AD, who believes that people who move here are? Answer is none of these. Cities of the country, second-hand Europeans, army of the country, none of these. 35. The last two stanzas of the poem Australia refers to the civilization. Answer होगा modern. 36. For AD Hope, the civilization of Australia is of culture. Answer is false imitation. 37. AD Hope compares the face of Australia with? Answer is finite. 38. AD Hope calls Australia? Answer is Arabian desert of human mind. मानव मस्तिष्क का अरब रेगिस्तान है और अरब का रेगिस्तान है. 39. Which one of the following is not in the list of 5 cities referred in the poem Australia? Answer is Mombasa. 40. AD Hope shows the influence of? Answer is nature. 41. Who was the spouse of AD Hope? Answer is Penelope Robinson. 42. AD Hope influenced the poet? Answer is all of these, यानी W.H. Auden, ए अलेक्जेंडर पोप और W.B. ईट्स. तो आज की वीडियो हम लोग यहीं समाप्त करेंगे. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, वीडियो को लाइक करें. जिस किसी को इस वीडियो की आवश्यकता हो उस चैनल के लिंक उसे शेयर करें. धन्यवाद.